Hello everyone! In this audio, I would like to share some of my cooking experiences with you. Also, I will mention some difficulties that you need to notice. But this is just my opinion, and everyone may encounter different situations. Therefore, you can just take my ideas as a reference. These days, I decided to cook an egg dish. I chose to make a Spanish omelette because it looked appealing to me, and I had never cooked it before. Originally, I believed that this dish would be easy to make because I had cooked some egg dishes before, such as scrambled eggs with onions. However, the cooking method for a Spanish omelette is quite different. For example, I needed to prepare various ingredients like garlic, shredded cheese, and potatoes. The potato had to be thinly sliced, and it was a little hard for me. Thus, I spent a lot of time preparing these ingredients. On the other hand, I also had to control the heat because this dish is basically pan-fried. If you don't manage the heat well, it can easily get burned. The most difficult part for me was flipping the omelette. When the bottom was cooked, I needed to turn it over and cook the other side, but that was not easy. I had to make sure I flip it in one piece, or it may break apart. In the end, I used a large lid to cover the pan, and then I flip it over with both hands. This way, the omelette could fall onto the lid more intact. After that, I slid the uncooked side back into the pan to continue cooking. This part may be a little hard to understand, so I'm thinking about making a tutorial video, or you can also look at some examples online. That is the end of my sharing. Thank you for listening.